Denmark, the land of the Vikings, is a country full of surprises. From its rolling hills and sparkling seas to its bustling cities and charming villages, there's something for everyone here. In this video, we'll be exploring the top 5 most visited destinations in Denmark, so buckle up and get ready for an amazing adventure. Copenhagen, the capital city of Denmark, is known for its stunning architecture, rich history, and vibrant cultural scene. From the iconic Little Mermaid statue to the stunning Tivoli Gardens, there is so much to see and do in this amazing city. Odense is the birthplace of Hans Christian Andersen, and is a city steeped in history and culture. Visit the Hans Christian Andersen Museum and learn about the life and works of this famous author. Aarhus is a city of art and culture, with a thriving art scene that includes museums, galleries, and theaters. Explore the city's vibrant cultural offerings and immerse yourself in the creative energy that is present here. Skagen is a stunning coastal region, with pristine beaches and crystal-clear waters that are perfect for swimming and sunbathing. Take a stroll along the sandy shores and enjoy the stunning scenery that surrounds you. Bornholm is a beautiful island located in the Baltic Sea, with rolling hills, pristine forests, and stunning beaches. Take a journey to this idyllic island and discover the beauty of its landscapes and cultures. Ribe is the oldest town in Denmark and is known for its well-preserved historical architecture, including half-timbered houses, cobbled streets, and the iconic Ribe Cathedral. The town is also a hub for culture and arts, with a lively music and theater scene, as well as several museums and galleries. Malsbjerg National Park. This beautiful national park is located in central Denmark and is known for its rolling hills, pristine forests, and stunning scenic vistas. Take a hike through the park and enjoy the beauty of its natural landscapes, including its many lakes and streams. This charming town is located in the heart of Jutland and is known for its rich cultural heritage and vibrant art scene. Explore the town's many museums, including the Silkeborg Museum of Art and the Silkeborg Museum of Cultural History, and enjoy its many theaters, galleries, and cultural events. This historic city is located near Copenhagen and is known for its rich cultural heritage, including its many museums, theaters, and galleries. Explore the city's many historical landmarks, including the Roskilde Cathedral, one of the largest cathedrals in Northern Europe. Esbjerg is a bustling coastal town located on the western coast of Jutland. It is known for its vibrant cultural scene, with a lively arts and music scene, as well as several museums, galleries, and theaters. Take a stroll along the town's stunning beaches and enjoy the beauty of its coastal landscapes. That's it for our tour of Denmark's top 10 most visited destinations. Whether you're looking for adventure, history, or just some good old-fashioned fun, these amazing places have something for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Book your trip to Denmark today.